we have to go pick up a project. Well, I guess a parts vehicle, not a project. We gotta go pick up a parts vehicle, and it's parts mostly for this truck, but also for another project in the garage as well. So we figured, why not make this truck do the work? You know, obviously we have that bad boy, which would tow this trailer absolutely no problem at all. It wouldn't even think twice. I mean, it would do no problem at all, but I'm gonna try to make this one do it. Now, I noticed as he was turning, the trailer has no lights on the back at all. Huh? I tested my plug-in on the truck yesterday. I got an adapter, 7 round to a 4 flat, but it has lights on it that come on when it detects the signal. So it does your brake lights, turn signals, all that. The truck is putting the signal out, so my first guess is the tow ball. The tow ball that I put in here is pretty rusty because it does not get used for anything other than the pulling. Basically, the tow, it's a tri-ball, and I don't have anything that sits low enough to use that. So it'll get used when we're just throwing a strap on to move something around. So it just sits out and it's rusty. That's my first guess, is the ball is too rusty to make contact. I'll probably have to take the trailer back up, clean that up, but that's the plan. We're gonna make this thing do some work. So we gotta go through, iron out a few bugs, make sure it's ready. This does have a really nice brake controller in it from when I did construction. So I gotta make sure it's sending the signal and all that. But now we got it out of the hole, we're gonna eat some lunch and dig in and get it all figured out for the trip. I'm thinking maybe this might be my connection problems. I got like spider webs, all kinds of stuff, maybe not allowing a good electrical connection. So I'm gonna try to make sure these are clean. This trailer hasn't been towed in quite a while as well.
Screw that. You and your big mouth. Is that even gonna clear? Barely. I didn't think it was gonna clear. I didn't either. So this truck has Gary horns, a little snail. My friend Jackson, he's been looking for a horn. He's been looking for a horn to put on his mini bike. I can snag one off and take it. Smart idea. Sell it to him for $5. Jared's helping Levi get this backed up into the garage so we can start tearing this apart to make the 92 four-wheel drive. So what we have done
is we have moved the 76 out of its hole, cleaned that spot up. That's where the 89 is going to go. And we took my hard top and the ladder rack that was in the enclosed trailer. And this is where the 76 is going to sit for the time being with all of its corresponding parts. The reason why we're not just pushing it outside is because these little metal brackets you see, they are holding a bedside on. So that's why this is in here, not just sitting outside. It's coming the way it needs to.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to accomplish.
Yeah, because it's gonna miss this. So if it actually straightens out, you might have to pull forward and straighten out, but.
I'm kind of thinking it backs up a little more.
Well, he can. I just want to make sure.
A little more, it'll angle it a little
yes.
more too.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
All right, we're gonna back up a little bit more.
Yep. Get and go. Go. Hey, Mr. Bean. Same thing. But anyway, so the 89 parts truck is going to go where the 76 was, so that way it's right there next to the hoist while we're swapping the 92 to four-wheel drive. 92 is in here. We're having some wheel issues, but as you can see, the parts truck is in its hole, and we are going to Silvis, Illinois this weekend for a train ride for Levi. The last weekend of this month, September, we are supposed to be taking this to go to the Big Iron Overland Rally. There's no off-roading. It's literally just a get-together and camp-out, chill kind of event. And after that, this thing will be out of the hoist here. It's just getting tires changed. And then the build process for this becoming four-wheel drive will begin. So definitely like, subscribe, share, comment down below. And we will catch you guys on the next one.